welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate card using elements from the March 2022 Beyond the Horizon Paper Pumpkin Kit. Once again, I'm going to be using the free set that came with the kit, and I'm also using elements from the kit. I'm using the Pale Papaya cotton ribbon. I'm using one of the die cuts, kind of the chevron one, and I have used a blending brush to color it with the the Pear Pizzazz, and I'm using one of the elements of the die cuts from the kit as well. What I've done is I have gone ahead with the Pale Papaya and used the background flower all over. Then with the Pear Pizzazz, used the small leaves to fill in. And then with Smoky Slate, used the center. This could be a flower background on its own, paired with the little center there. But I used it as the center of the flowers here. And I did front and back so that it's an all-round kind of fun card. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the Hello from the stamp set. And the Pear Pizzazz, and I'm going to stamp that onto this die cut. Here we go. So we've got that down like that. I'll close that up and put that off to the side. I'm going to flat mount the die cut that I colored with the Pear Pizzazz, and I'm going to pop that down kind of where it makes sense. I think I'm just going to put it down here like this, make sure I'm lined up and centered. And then I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to fold it in half, actually in half and not in bits. There we go. This I'm going to place over, maybe I'll do it this way then. I'll do it this way. And then this will go over top like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little bit of adhesive on the back of the ribbon like that. And then I'll place it down. Sorry, I think I went out of frame there. And then I'll just place it down like that and that. So there we go. And I'm going to use dimensionals on the back of this one. So I can I'll put 3 on the back just to make sure it's really secure. We'll peel that off. And then we can mount this on the front like this, making sure that we are level and even. And I want that to be like that. So there we go. There is a really super quick and easy card using elements from the March 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for some more alternate card ideas.